All right, Matty Gukas here again. In St. Augustine, County Road 206. And we got a northbound train. Florida East Coast Railway, there go the gates. So I'm going to pin, that's, I just wanted to make sure I was right on this tree line. Oh, it's a locomotive running light. And there you go, folks. I don't know why he stopped, but he's coming back, and I guess he's gonna go in the siding. Yep. I can't walk down there too far because it's FEC property, but he went in that siding. Is he gonna stop? I didn't see any cars. I gotta get the binocs. Stay tuned. All right, so look, I got out the binoculars, and it looks like there's some cars set out way down there. You can just barely see them with the binoculars. You're not going to be able to see them on this. But stay tuned. He may be coming back. Sorry, folks, for all the traffic, but it's busy here in St. Augustine now. But yeah, he's coming back. Let's see if those were cars that were set way down there. I believe that's the local, other local out of Jacksonville that runs down to Bunnell. As far down as Bunnell, Florida. Here he comes. Sorry for the sun, but I want to get a longer view of this one this time. Yep, there go the gates. Oh yeah, those are rock cars. Bunnell rock cars. And there you go, folks. Local running out of Jacksonville, Florida, here on the Florida East Coast Railway. January 10th, County Road 206, St. Augustine, Florida. I'm out. Okay, this is the 107. I've filmed this train before. I just happened to catch it here. I had to jump out of the truck and run over here. The gates were already, well, the gates. Here it comes. Listen up. got to slow down here pretty soon before St. Augustine, but there you go. All right, here comes the train. You can hear the gates. I'm staying in a different spot today. There's more light over here, and I'm tired of getting those hitchhikers on my shoes, especially those ones with the 20 daggers in them. I'll let you listen tonight. Look at all those seaboards. That must be the North Carolina shuttle. I know I was going to let you listen, but I wanted to point that out. I'll talk about it when I'm done. A lot of intermodal tonight. You can hear the train starting to slow down. So the front of the train is approaching St. Augustine city limits, and there's two big curves plus speed restrictions. That's all the Crowley that didn't make the sailing yesterday for Saturday sailing out of Fort Lauderdale. Oh. And there you go, folks. Train 107. Boy, oh boy, did you see all those trailers? With all the traffic in Florida now, I get it. I'm going to switch around. With all the traffic, I've lived here 31 years, I've never seen so much traffic. The growth is off the charts, but trucking companies, we're on board with the Florida East Coast, but I've never seen so many. They're just done with driving to South Florida. It takes too damn long, probably, as long as the train, which is not an overnight. Like, you can drive down there in 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours to Miami, unload in the morning and be gone, but that's not going to happen with the railroad.